Hi everybody, I'm Greg Nelson, the lead researcher for the product brand Learniture, and I'm here to introduce you to the Shape Series 2-in-1 Rocker Roll Stool. We designed the stool to help more active students stay focused and engage in their schoolwork. A curved base lets students rock during their studies and interactions. A wide stool resists tipping. The smooth plastic runners keep the rocking motion quiet so other students won't be distracted. The 2-in-1 stool also easily converts into a rolling seating unit with the optional casters. Just click the casters in place to create a mobile stool that rolls where you need it. No tools are needed to pop the casters in and out of place, so students can change up their seating options on the fly and without hassle. We also designed this stool to create the most efficient storage solutions possible. A spacious compartment was sculpted into the stool for personal storage of backpacks, devices, and any other items the students might have brought to class with them. This stool is also a part of Learniture's extensive bin system. Learniture offers a number of storage units, cabinets, desks, and tables that all use the same bins, so students can quickly transfer classroom materials. Each stool comes with rails fitted directly under the seat. Students can slide the bins into the rails to clear off their workspace while keeping the storage unit handy at all times. Wrapping up the class session is easy with this storage system. Just remove the bin from the stool, return whatever items are left, and return the bin to its storage center. Students will spend more time engaged in their projects, less time in setup and wrap-up, and educators will more easily keep their materials organized across all of their classes. This stool was designed for comfort, durability, and ease of cleaning. The padded seat cushions the student, and the vinyl cover wipes up easily. The cushion fits onto a sturdy frame of polypropylene and steel that supports up to 225 pounds. The undersides of each plastic piece are also specifically molded with ribbing underneath to ensure durability with added reinforcement. At Learniture, we design products so educators can have what they need and students can develop the skills that they need. We are happy to introduce the Shape Series 2-in-1 Rocker Roll Stool to help teachers create engaging learning spaces.